Today I'm going to show you a very interesting uh, Google's product. It's the NotebookLM. You can see here there are three sections. One is sources, one is chat box, and one related to the studios, basically the tools or the set of tools here. So what I did, I just given the link of Hello Interviews. If you click here, you can see. So the one other topic called core concepts. So you can see the content here. Okay, so it's summarized here actually. If you go on top, it gives you the summary of these particular sources. And the interesting part is that you can see there are n number of studio tools here. So I already generated few things. The first one is system roadmap. If you click on this, you will see the mind maps of this particular content. Let's go to the caching. So you can see there are 4 subtopics of related to caching. You can see in the chat box. Once I click here, the relevant content will generate in the chat box. So you can see how interesting it is, right? And inside this particular subchat there is nothing, right? So if you click here, you will get the relevant information here, but there is no further the branch for this particular topics. And if you can see here, it's generating the details related to this particular cache site pattern. So you can see here you go. Yeah. Okay, let's explore the other interesting thing is the audio.
It's behind the magic.
Because it's not a cloud at all. We're looking at a landscape of physical fiber optic
So what
cables
it's
under the
doing,
ocean, and immense
it's giving
structural
you,
logic. It is the
the
absolute
audio
definition
summary
of
of this
heavy
particular
industrial plumbing,
content.
just operating at the speed
So
of
it's
light.
like
And
podcast.
that's our
There are
mission
2
today.
agents who's
Whether
talking
you
each
are
other
prepping
like
for a
podcaster.
high-stakes tech interview, or you just
And
want
the
to
one
finally
more interesting part
understand
is
how
that
massive apps
you
like
can
Instagram
also
and Uber
interact with in
actually
this
work under the
conversation.
hood,
So
we
you
are
need to
going
click
to
interactive. So here you go. So it's in interactive mode.
Usually when we talk about the internet, there's this
And you can
expectation
join,
of, well, magic.
So let's
Oh,
say,
You pull a
since we
sleek
already
glass
explored
rectangle
caching,
out of your
let's
pocket,
ask
you
about
tap
the
the
caching.
screen, and instantly, oh, hey, our listener wants to join in. What's up?
Hey, could you please explain me about the caching?
We will love to dive into caching for you right now.
Oh, perfect timing, actually, because caching is the ultimate cheat code for speed.
It really is. Think of caching as your system's short-term memory.
Like, instead of walking to the grocery store every time you want a snack.
Exactly. You keep the most popular snacks right on your kitchen counter.
So when you talk about apps, the counter is usually something called Redis.
Right?
Okay,
It's
let's
super
ask
fast
different
memory
questions.
that sits in front of your much slower
I'm joining now.
database.
A database? Oh yeah, let's hear it.
Could you also tell me about the JWT? What is all about?
Oh, I love that question. Okay, let's unpack this JWT thing right now.
It stands for JSON Web Token, but that's just the technical name.
Right, here's where it gets really interesting. Think of a JWT as a digital VIP wristband.
Exactly. When you first log in with your password, the server hands you this wristband.
So instead of showing your ID to every security guard at the festival,
Precisely. You just flash the wristband for every new request you make.
that makes so much sense. So the system doesn't have to re-verify who you are constantly.
It saves an enormous amount of computational overhead by skipping those extra password checks.
It's a huge part of the magic we were talking about before you chimed in.
It really is. That wristband is what keeps your sessions seamless as you move around.
Now to that magic rectangles we mentioned at the start.
We treat our phones like magic, but the illusion is entirely shattered in system design.
We're looking at a survival guide today from FANG managers and staff engineers.
It reveals the cold, hard, physical constraints behind that invisible cloud.
It's not just